Okay, so in this video, I'm going to give a specific definition of inductive inference. Okay, so here we go, inductive inference. And this is taken from the book, the definition that the book gives. And I'm going to write a slightly shorter version of it, but if you want a more full detailed version, then check the one in the book. So inductive inference, first, it is not valid or deductively valid. And this is true of all inductive arguments. So you can expect that there. Okay, the second part is its premises. And by premises, that could just mean one premise, but its premises include a sample of observations. So in the early example, I gave these. I talked about how in the dog case, I start with the dogs I've observed have been friendly, most of them, or every goldfish that I fed cat food that I've observed has died. Right. So that's the premise, including a sample of observations. Okay. And then 3 is its conclusion extrapolates. What does extrapolates mean? Like infers or deduce, or not? I don't want to say deduces because that's deduction, but you make an inference. Its conclusion extrapolates from the sample to a larger population. Okay, so in the dog case, I go from the dogs I've observed to most dogs are friendly, where I'm talking about like dogs in general, not just the dogs I've observed. Or in the goldfish case, they go from the goldfish they've observed, who've died when fed cat food, to the next goldfish, which is part of the larger population. Okay, so an inductive inference will include these 3 things. That's the definition. And now what we're going to do is start to look into inductive inference argument forms. So that'll be next.